Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to lower blood pressure naturally. High blood pressure, or hypertension, can be a serious health condition and it's important to take steps to keep it in check. Let's get started. Before we dive into the specific tips, it's important to note that it may take several weeks or months to see a change in blood pressure from lifestyle changes. It's always a good idea to speak with a healthcare professional about your blood pressure and any concerns you have. Now, let's look at some natural ways to lower blood pressure. Tip 1. Eat a healthy diet. Focus on eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoid foods that are high in salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Tip 2. Exercise regularly. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity physical activity, such as brisk walking, every day. Tip 3. Reduce stress. Try stress-reducing techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Tip 4. Limit alcohol consumption. Drinking too much alcohol can raise blood pressure. Men should have no more than 2 drinks per day, and women should have no more than 1 drink per day. Tip 5. Quit smoking. Smoking can damage the arteries and raise blood pressure. Tip 6. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Tip 7. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water and other fluids to help flush out excess sodium from your body. Conclusion: these are just a few natural ways to lower blood pressure. It's important to remember that lifestyle changes take time, and it's always a good idea to speak with a healthcare professional about any concerns you have. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more health and wellness tips.